Have you ever wondered why some women naturally attract men without even trying, while others struggle despite their best efforts? The truth is, attraction isn't about luck. It's about understanding human psychology and leveraging natural principles that trigger desire in men. This guide will show you how to make a man want you naturally using real world case studies, scientific insights, and practical steps. Let's dive in. Why do some women struggle to attract men? Many women face these common struggles when it comes to attracting men. Men lose interest quickly. The guy seems interested initially, but then he pulls away. Feeling invisible. You're around men, but they don't seem to notice you romantically. Unbalanced effort. You put in all the effort while he seems indifferent. Being just a friend. He enjoys talking to you but never takes things further. Attraction isn't just about looks or money. A University of Texas study found that while appearance matters, long-term attraction depends more on personality, confidence, and behavior. Men are drawn to women who feel secure in themselves and bring positive energy. Confidence signals value, while personality creates emotional connection. Behavior determines if a man sees a future with you. A woman who respects herself naturally commands respect from others. This explains why some women effortlessly attract men, while others struggle despite their best efforts. The hard truth about attraction. Let's look at two real-life examples to understand why some women naturally attract men while others don't. Anna versus Lisa. Who got the guy? Anna and Lisa both liked the same man, Ryan. Anna always made herself available. She texted Ryan constantly, changed her schedule for him, and tried to impress him by agreeing with everything he said. Lisa, on the other hand, lived her life fully. She had hobbies, her own schedule, and didn't revolve around Ryan's attention. Who did Ryan pursue? Lisa. Why? Because men are wired to chase what they perceive as valuable and slightly out of reach. A study in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that men are more attracted to women who show independence and self-confidence. Anna made herself too available, which lowered her perceived value. Lisa, however, created natural attraction by being someone Ryan had to earn time with. The confidence factor. A study from Florida State University revealed that confidence in women is more attractive to men than physical appearance alone. Women who walked with good posture, spoke with certainty, and expressed their opinions freely were rated as significantly more attractive than those who were physically beautiful but lacked confidence. This explains why some women, even without conventional beauty, naturally attract men. Now that we understand the problem and why it happens, let's move on to the solution. How to make a man want you naturally. Build intrigue through mystery. Men are drawn to mystery and unpredictability. This doesn't mean playing games, it means keeping a man engaged by revealing yourself gradually. What to do? Don't share everything about yourself right away. Leave some details for later conversations. Avoid texting him all the time. Create space so he has a reason to chase you. Let him wonder about you. This activates his curiosity and deepens his attraction. Don't rush to reply every time. Giving a little space keeps things exciting. When he asks about your weekend, don't spill everything at once. Say, "It was interesting. I'll tell you later." This makes him curious and eager to know more. Mystery builds attraction. When he wonders about you, he stays engaged and interested. Be genuinely passionate about something. Passionate women are incredibly attractive because they exude energy and purpose. A Harvard study found that men were significantly more attracted to women who spoke enthusiastically about their interests compared to those who were neutral. What to do? Develop a hobby or passion that excites you. Talk about your interests with energy. It makes you magnetic. Let him see that you have a life outside of him. When someone asks about your hobbies, don't just say, "I watch Netflix." That doesn't spark interest. Instead, talk about something you genuinely enjoy. Say, "I've been learning photography. It's fascinating how light changes a picture's mood." Passion is attractive. It makes conversations deeper and more engaging. When you're excited about something, people feel it too. This makes you stand out from the crowd. Use the power of body language. Men are highly responsive to nonverbal cues, sometimes even more than words. Research from University of California, Los Angeles found that body language accounts for 55% of attraction. What to do? Make eye contact and hold it slightly longer than usual. Use open body language. No crossed arms or slouching. Subtly mirror his movements. This builds a subconscious connection. Smile genuinely. A study from the University of British Columbia found that men are most attracted to women who smile often. When you're on a date, body language matters. Lean in slightly when he talks. It shows you're interested. Hold eye contact for a moment longer than usual. It builds connection without saying a word. Smile naturally, not forced. A genuine smile makes you more approachable. Small gestures like these create warmth and they make a man feel comfortable and drawn to you. Trigger his hero instinct. Coined by relationship expert James Bauer, the hero instinct is the idea that men are naturally drawn to women who make them feel needed and appreciated. Men don't just want beauty, they want to feel like a protector and provider in some way. What to do? Ask for his advice on small things. Ergo, which jacket do you think looks better? Show appreciation when he does something for you. Let him feel like he's contributing to your happiness in some way. Letting a man help you doesn't mean you're weak. It makes him feel needed. Instead of always doing something yourself, ask for small favors. Say, "Can you help me open this jar?" It's a simple request, but it triggers his instinct to provide. Men appreciate feeling useful. It strengthens the connection without forcing anything. Be playful and fun. A study from Stanford University found that men are 47% more attracted to women who are playful and humorous. Men love women who can laugh, tease, and create a lighthearted connection. What to do? Use playful teasing. Ergo, "Wow, you really think you're the king of trivia? Let's test that." Don't take yourself too seriously. Laugh at mistakes and have fun. Be spontaneous. Surprise him with an interesting activity instead of a standard date. Playfulness makes conversations exciting. If he brags about being great at pool, challenge him with a grin. Say, "All right, I'm about to destroy you in this game. Be ready." It creates fun tension. Men enjoy a little competition. It keeps the energy light and engaging. A playful attitude makes you more memorable and enjoyable to be around. Maintain your independence. A major mistake women make is losing themselves in a relationship. Research from Rutgers University found that men stay more attracted to women who maintain their own lives, friendships, and interests. What to do? Keep your personal goals and social life active. Never cancel plans just to be available for him. Show him that he's part of your life, not the center of it. Don't drop everything for last-minute plans. Show that your time matters. If he asks to meet last minute, say, "I'd love to, but I already have plans. Let's do something this weekend instead." This sets a standard. It shows you have a life beyond him. When you value yourself, others naturally respect and appreciate you more. Becoming naturally magnetic. Making a man want you naturally isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about understanding human psychology and attraction principles. By following these steps, creating intrigue, having passion and confidence, using body language effectively, triggering his hero instinct, being playful and fun, and maintaining independence, you become a woman he chooses to chase, respect, and desire. Attraction isn't about chasing or proving your worth. It's about being a woman who naturally stands out. Confidence, passion, and self-respect make you magnetic. Men are drawn to women who know their value. When you focus on your own happiness, the right person will be drawn to you effortlessly. Start applying these principles today and watch how men naturally gravitate towards you.